Ever want to do something, take a class, read a book, have an experience that you think is going to change your life, and then you go and you do it, and it's great, but does it really change your life? Conversations are great. Healings are fucking amazing. So I have an upcoming class, Power and Pendulum class, that we're going to be doing just that. Clearing out fear, lack, unworthiness, self-criticism, things that are blocking you from loving yourself and seeing yourself through the eyes of love, and know that you are a powerful being of light. This class is going to blow your mind and change you from the inside out so you can make changes in your life. It will be fun. It will be empowering. It is fucking amazing. I'd love for you to join me.